special Corbin Cox report. It was just a few days ago, on September the 11th, that Corbin Cox had his first football game. Oh boy. Woo-hoo-hoo! Boy! How did this young number 5 Bulldog grappler do on his first game? Oh man! Let's take a look! Good play right here. Corbin with the ball, gets good hustle, makes a good play. Good hustle right here, number 6 throws the ball, but the Bulldogs are swarmed by a bunch of Eagles. Very good, exciting play right here, number 5, Corbin Cox has got the ball. He is moving, he is hustling, he keeps his feet moving. He refuses to go down, but is brought down by a bunch of Eagles. Doesn't matter, first down, Bulldogs. Very next play, Corbin is ready, focused, gets into position. Snap! Goes right after these Eagles. Oh, a Bulldog player goes down. But number 5 of the Eagles gets position on the ball and goes all the way. Takes it all the way to the end zone. But that's not going to stop Corbin. Always ready, always focused. Goes right after these Eagles. There is no quit in Corbin Cox. Boom, boom, boom! That's how you do it. That's how you hustle. That's how you get the job done on the gridiron, baby. On the gridiron. That's how you do it, baby. That's how you do it. Yeah! Congratulations, Corbin, on your first game. You did great. Oh man, you did tremendously awesome. My only regret, my only wish is that I had gotten a way more video footage than what I was able to get. Man, oh man, you did way more in this game than what I was able to show that I wish I could show. Man! Corbin, you got the speed, you got the heart, you got the desire. You got it all, baby. You have got it all to achieve everything. To achieve all goals possible. To achieve the highest achievements possible. Because with Christ that's in you, baby, that's in you, you can accomplish everything and all things. Through Him, with Him. It is obvious, it is fact. It is fact. Oh man. Corbin, let me tell you something. Don't let anybody, and I mean nobody, tell you any different. Don't let anybody tell you you're not the best, you're not the greatest. We're not having that. We're not dealing with that. There's no time for that. You are the best, you are the greatest, and you have got everything you need, just like I said, to achieve everything and to achieve all. Corbin, there is not a mountain, there is not an obstacle, there is not anybody, nothing that can stand in your way of achieving the best goals, the highest achievements possible. Man, you keep this up, you are going to be one heck of a football player. I'm talking one of the best out there. And that's not only fact, that is absolutely on doubt fact. You keep it up, you keep hustling, and you, oh man, are going to achieve big, great things, man. And I can't wait to see it all. Next game, I can't wait to see it. Go rock 'em, baby. Yeah!